This is the brief on key Spanish family vocabulary. Learning simple family words is actually the perfect starting point in Spanish. It's basically your skeleton key to understanding two huge concepts, gender and number agreement. Okay, so first up is gender agreement. In Spanish, nouns are either masculine or feminine. Generally, if a family member's name ends in O, like abuelo for grandfather, it's masculine. If it ends in A, like prima for female cousin, it's feminine. And here's the kicker. The words you use to point them out have to match. So you'd say este es for a guy and esta es for a woman. Second, once you have gender down, you've got to think about plurals. The verb changes from is, which is, to son, which means are. And this is important. Your possessive word me for my also becomes mis. So if you're pointing to a group of uncles or tíos, you have to say estos son mis tíos. See how everything lines up? And finally, let's talk about distance. Spanish actually changes the this and that words depending on how close someone is. You'll use este and esta for someone right here. But if you're pointing to your cousin way over there, those words change to ese or esa for that. And of course, you still have to keep the gender and number agreement right, even from a distance. So yeah, mastering these simple patterns for gender, number, and distance is really what unlocks so much of the Spanish language for you.